is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes.
On this week's episode of Van Chronicles, we take you to some glorious waterfalls. Take on a nice long walk through the bush with a green and lush sun and on top of a mountain. What more can you ask for?
You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to tell me sorry that you take back all the things you said just to hurt me. Our love just went cold, but I'm still burning. Our love just went cold. Why? I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again.
Hello. I am in Derwent Park Camp. I think that's the name. Don't trust me on it. I will put it in the post. I'm shocking with names. You'll learn that. You'll be like, what is she talking about? I don't know. I am in New Norfolk, in the bottom half of Tasmania, in the very, very lower part of Tasmania actually, and heading to Salmon Ponds today and hopefully Gordon Dam, but we'll see how the day pans out. So I'm actually on like a farm property, so I had these little guys to well, not sleep with, to listen to last night. I'll flip you over. Say hi to the vlog, dude. Say hi vlog. Yeah, he's not. They're black-faced something. I helped the farmer get them into a cage last night so he could, because there was actually a baby boy sheep in here and he wanted to pull him out before he got a little bit active. So I helped him get him into his trailer yesterday, so that was really very cool.
It's tearing me apart. I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again.
I'm at the Salmon Ponds in I'll put it on the screen. I've forgotten again. Look at this place. It's beautiful. Good place to bring your fishing rod. I don't think they think kindly of it, but it would be pretty cool. The fish are huge. I'm at the trout. Have a look at this. Albino rainbow trout. They're massive. All the fish in these ponds are massive, so it's probably the copious amount of food that the tourists feed them. My first waterfall in Tasmania, which is a little pathetic really, isn't it? Considering.
It's tearing me apart. I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again. Have to get over you again.
Welcome to Mount Wellington Lookout. Look at Hobart, isn't she beautiful? I hope you can see it through the lens, but I suspect it's probably too much in the background, but I'll show you some photos anyway.
The moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you.
What a day I had yesterday. I could not vlog. I was just like, there was too much going on. So I was halfway up Mount Wellington and a driver behind me was tooting and flashing his lights, and I thought, oh gosh, okay, something's gone wrong. Obviously I can't see the trailer. All the tyres are monitored so that I can see exactly what pressure they are up in the dash, but there was no alarms getting set off, so everything was fine and all the tyres were indeed fine. But anyway, so I hop out of the car and this old gentleman comes out of his car and he's like, oh, your tyre is smoking on your trailer. I think maybe your brakes are locked on. And I'm like, no, there's no brakes on the trailer, you know, like it's just a pull along, so it can't be that. And then you sort of smell, it's like, oh, that's bearings. Man, that thing was smoking like a chimney. I think we were pretty lucky that it didn't catch on fire, to be honest. And when you think about the diesel and the fuel that's in that trailer, yeah, I don't even want to think about it. So praise God, nothing burnt down. So that's been towed down to Glenorchy, and it will stay there until they can have a look at it next week. Yeah, so I'm flying free without a trailer, which is a blessing. I actually really like driving without the trailer because you can fit anywhere. You can fit in normal parking spots. Anyway, so it was a glorious night here last night. You can't usually, I guess, camp at the top of Mount Wellington because the winds would be fierce. But the van didn't even rock once last night, so it was still as anything, and really just such a lovely evening. I tried so much. I'm learning so much about photography. Still got a long way to go. It is a massive subject, you know, like it's actually really, to me, it's super interesting. So I spent hours taking photos yesterday anyway, and it's just as bad trying to take night scenes as well of the city when you're sort of trying to capture that sort of glow, the essence of a city at night. I didn't manage it. I tried really hard.
Up high, I can touch a stream of gold above, breaking through with hope of light and love, giving peace of mind to those of us who try. Let
Coming up next on Van Chronicles, I take you on the most epic journey. Do not miss this one. Everyone has to do this in Tasmania. I have no words. Just look at the footage. Enjoy.
Let the sun shine on the broken. Let the summer come again. Let the heat find all the frozen. Let the force end. And I am
Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe. Next installment Friday. Thank you.
Let the sun shine on the broken. Let the sun